Install an HP printer using a USB connection and a basic driver that does not include additional HP software. Do not connect a USB cable until prompted in the installation. If you previously connected a USB cable, disconnect it. Download the basic driver for your printer at support.hp.com/drivers and then open the file to extract the software. If a Windows prompt displays, select Continue, Run, or Yes to allow changes to your computer. With your printer set up and powered on, select Continue. Review the agreements and settings, select the checkbox to accept the terms, and then select Next. The basic driver installs for your printer. If prompted, select Manual Setup and then select Next. If prompted to select a connection type, select USB and then select Next. Connect the square end of a USB cable to the printer and the flat end to an available USB port on your computer. The connection is detected and the driver installation completes. The remaining screens might differ depending on your printer. Read and respond to the prompts to complete the printer installation.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.